Good morning students. In the last class, exercise 7.3, third sum completed. Now see problem number 4 in 7.3. 7.3 problem number 4 is, so what is 7.3 problem number 4? Find the area of the quadrilateral. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 3 comma minus 5, 3 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 3. So find the area of the quadrilateral. So this is the problem belongs to quadrilateral and it is very important problem. It belongs to again 8 marks. Very important. So find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are first one minus 4 comma minus 2, second one minus 3 comma minus 5, third one 3 comma minus 2 and fourth one 2 comma 3. So four vertices belongs to quadrilateral are given. We need to find out area of the quadrilateral. See the diagram once. There is a quadrilateral, a polygon, a closed figure. A polygon with four sides is known as quadrilateral. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. Let it be ABCD. Name the quadrilateral as ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral. First one minus 4 comma minus 2. Second one minus 3 comma minus 5. Third one 3 comma minus 2. Fourth one 2 comma 3. So four vertices are given. We need to find out area of the quadrilateral. Then what to do? Join AC. Join AC. So what is AC? AC is a diagonal. Join AC. AC is a diagonal. Then what is your observation? Two triangles are there. Two triangles are there. So here quadrilateral is the combination of two triangles. We need to find out area of both the triangles. Finally add them. You get the answer for quadrilateral. So here quadrilateral is the combination of two triangles. See the board. Solution. So given, name the first one as A. A, first point A, minus 4 comma minus 2. First point A, minus 4 comma minus 2. Second point B, minus 3 comma minus 5. Third point C, 3 comma minus 2. Fourth point D, 2 comma 3. So let us take the points as A, B, C, D. Let us name the vertices as A, B, C, D. And A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Then you know what is AC in the diagram? AC is a diagonal. So area of quadrilateral equal to area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to, it is the combination of two triangles. Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Not only AC, you can use BD also, diagonal BD also, no problem. So area of quadrilateral is the combination of areas of two triangles. Then area of triangle formula. Actually there is no direct formula in 10th to find out area of quadrilateral. So you better to divide quadrilateral into two triangles. Then use area of the triangle formula two times. First one for triangle ABC, next one for triangle ACD. Add both, you get the answer. Then area of triangle formed by the the vertices, area of triangle formed by the vertices ax1 y1, bx2 y2 and cx3 y3 is what formula right? Area of the triangle formula right is half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is area of the triangle formula. First find out area of triangle ABC. Side heading area of triangle ABC. First one ABC. Next one ACD. Then what is A? A value minus 4 comma minus 2. Let it be x1 y1. B value minus 3 comma minus 5. Let it be x2 y2. C value 3 comma minus 2. Let it be x3 y3. Then substitute all the values. Half mod x1 minus 4 y2 minus y3. So minus 5 minus half minus 2. You know all the values. Then plus x2 minus 3 into y3 minus y1 minus 2 minus half minus 2 plus x3 3 y1 minus y2 y1 minus 2 minus half minus 5 close. Half modulus minus 4 minus 5 minus into minus plus 2 plus minus 3. This is minus 2 plus 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 5 close. Half modulus minus 4. This is minus 3. Subtraction minus 3 plus minus 3. What we get? Minus 2 plus 2 cancel 0. Second one 0. Third one plus 3 into, this is subtraction, we get 3. Half mod minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12 minus 3 into 0 0 3 3s are 9. Half mod 21. What is mod 21? 21. What is 21 by 2? 10.5 square units. So till now area of triangle ABC is completed. What we get? First one area 10.5 square units. Then find out area of triangle. Second one ACD. Second one area of triangle ACD. So till now area of triangle ABC completed. Then area of triangle ACD, side heading. Area of triangle ACD. A is what? A minus 4 comma minus 2. Let it be x1 y1. Then C 3 comma minus 2. Let it be x2 y2. Then third one D 2 comma 3. Let it be x3 y3. x3 y3. Then substitute again. Half mod x1 into y2 minus y3. Substitute the values again. Minus 4 into y2 minus y3. So what is y2? Minus 2. Minus what is y3? Minus 3. Plus x2 into y3 minus y1. x2 3. y3 minus y1. So what is y3 minus y1? 3 minus minus 2 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. 2 into minus 2 y1 minus 2 minus half minus 2 close. Half modulus minus 4. This is minus 5. You know plus 3 into this is 3 minus into minus plus 2, then plus 2 into this is minus 2 plus 2 modulus closed. So half mod minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20 plus 3 into this is 5 plus 2 into this is 0. Half mod 20 3 5s are 15 plus 0. Half mod 35. What is mod 35? 35 only. Half into 35. So what we get? 35 by 2, 17.5. Second one 17.5. First one 10.5. Second one 17.5. You know additions and subtractions. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Minus into minus plus. Minus 2 minus into minus plus. So minus 2 plus 2 0. 3 plus 2 5. Minus into minus plus. 4 5s are 20. 3 5s are 15. Half mod 35. Half into mod 35 how much? 35. 35 by 2 17.5. Finally, area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral. How to get area of quadrilateral finally? By adding both the answers. First one 10.5 plus second one 17.5. We get 28 square units. So that is problem number 4. This is problem number 4 in 7.3. Then what is problem number 5 in 7.3? So problem number 5 in 7.3. So problem number 5 in 7.3. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points. Formed by the points by using Heron's formula. By using Heron's formula. By using Heron's formula. So that is heading. Now two problems are there. First one 1 comma 1, 1 comma 4 and 5 comma 1. Second one 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 3, 2 comma minus 1. So they are the problems belongs to problem number 5. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points by using Heron's formula. You know what is Heron's formula? Heron's formula belongs to scale and triangle. So where we use Heron's formula? To find out area of scale and triangle, we use Heron's formula. So two problems are there. I want to explain first problem. You try for second one. So see the problem given. Okay na? So given first one, let us name the first point as A, second point as B, third point as C. Then find out sides of the triangle by using distance formula. Okay na? So first point A 1 comma 1, second point B 1 comma 4, third point C 5 comma 1. Then find out sides of the triangle by using Heron's formula. Again, by using distance formula. Use distance formula to find out sides of the triangle. So, distance formula. Distance, length, same formula. Distance or length. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is, so what is the formula for distance? Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is the formula to find out distance or length. Then first find out AB, length of AB. A is what? 1 comma 1. Let it be x1 y1. B is what? 1 comma 4. Let it be x2 y2. Then substitute root x2 minus x1 whole square 1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 4 minus 1 whole square. Then substitute, what is 1 minus 1 whole square? 0 whole square plus what is 4 minus 1 whole square? 3 whole square. What is 0 whole square? 0. What is 3 whole square? 9. Root 9. Root 9 how much? 3, you know. For 9, root value 3. Then length of BC. Find out BC next. B is what? B 1 comma 4. C 5 comma 1. Let it be x1 y1 x2 y2. Again substitute. What we get? Root 5 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. Then what is 5 minus 1 whole square? 4 whole square. What is 1 minus 4 whole square? Minus 3 whole square. Then what is 4 square? 16. What is minus 3 whole square? 9. Root 25. 25 root how much? 5. So BC completed. So this is the procedure to find out area of Heron's formula. Heron's area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. Third one, find out AC. A is what? 1 comma 1. Let it be x1 y1. C is what? 5 comma 1. Let it be x2 y2. Again substitute root 5 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 1 whole square. What is 5 minus 1? 4 whole square plus this is 0 whole square. What is 4 whole square? 16 plus 0. Root 16 how much? 4. Okay na? So AB how much? AB 3. BC 5. AC 4. So length of the side AB 3. Length of the side BC 5. Length of the side AC 4. So AB, and already you know, length of the side AB is represented by small c. Small c value 3. Length of BC is represented by small a. BC is represented by small a. AC is represented by small b. You know all of them. So AB is represented by small c. BC is represented by small a. AC is represented by small b. What is small c? AB. What is small a? BC. What is small b? AC. Then what is Heron's formula? You know. What is Heron's formula? Scale and triangle. Area of scale and triangle. This is scale and triangle because all the three sides are different. So area of scale and triangle, nothing but Heron's formula. Okay na? So area of the triangle formula, root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So this is area of scalar triangle by using Heron's formula, s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. What is s? S is semi perimeter. What is s? Semi half. Semi means half. Semi perimeter. What is s formula? A plus b plus c by 2. What is a? 5. What is b? 4. What is c? 3 by 2. Means 12 by 2. Cancellation 6. Then area substitute root s 6. S minus a 6 minus 5. S minus b 6 minus 4. S minus c 6 minus 3. Root 6 into this is how much? 1. This is how much? 2. This is how much? 3. Multiply root 6 2s are 12. 12 3s are 36. How to write 36? 6 square. Square root cancel. 6 square units. So this is procedure to find out area of triangle, scalar triangle by using Heron's formula. What is s? Semi perimeter. S equal to a plus b plus c by 2. So s value 6. Substitute all the values by using formula. Finally we get 6 square units. And this is fifth problem. First one. You try for second one. HW for today is 7.3 fourth sum and fifth one first sum and second sum. Each one time. In the next class we see the remaining problems. Thank you students.